Your vehicle is equipped with a vehicle information system that monitors a host of vehicle functions. The vehicle information display is located here in the instrument panel. The vehicle information display can be changed using this switch. Press it to navigate through the menu items. Some menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. To reset items in the vehicle information display, press and hold this switch for more than 1 second. Just below the vehicle information display, you'll find the odometer and twin-trip odometer, which are displayed when the ignition switch is in the on position. The odometer records the total distance the vehicle has been driven, while the twin-trip odometer records the distance of 2 individual trips. You'll see the trip reset switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Push it to change the display from odometer to trip A to trip B and back again. Push and hold the switch for more than 1 second to reset the selected odometer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.